student, I am Rameshwar Shah from science classes. Today I am going to start second lecture of heat. In second lectures, I am going to discuss about temperature scale. Temperature scale. Temperature scale. Then in temperature scale, there are three type of the temperature scales and which we have to discuss. Temperature scale, like as first centigrade scale, second Kelvin scale, centigrade scale, Kelvin scale, Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale. Here lower fixed point in centigrade scale, lower fixed point, upper fixed point. We already know lower fixed point means the temperature at which the pure water freezes is lower fixed point. Upper fixed point means the temperature at which the pure water boils is upper fixed point. Then in centigrade scale, lower fixed point is 0 degree C and upper fixed point is 100 degree C. In Kelvin scale, lower fixed point is 273 Kelvin, upper fixed point is 373 Kelvin. In Fahrenheit scale, the lower fixed point is 32 Fahrenheit and upper fixed point is 212 Fahrenheit. And these all are the lower fixed points and these all are the upper fixed point. And with help of this lower and upper fixed point, and we can derive relations among the centigrade scale, Kelvin and Fahrenheit, and which is used to calculate the what, that is the convergence of, that is temperature of one scale into another. Like as a relation among centigrade, Kelvin and Fahrenheit scale. C minus 0 by 100 is equal to F minus 32 by 180 is equal to K minus 273 by 100. This is a relation among centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Here centigrade lower fixed point is 0 degree, upper fixed point is 100, and so here upper fixed point minus lower fixed point, 100 minus 0 is 100. Here Fahrenheit scale lower fixed point is 32 Fahrenheit, and here difference between the upper fixed point and lower fixed point, it means the 212 minus 32 is 180. Here lower fixed point in Kelvin scale 273 and upper fixed point is 373 and minus lower fixed point 273, and then comes 100. And this is the relation among the centigrade, Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. Okay. Now I am going to discuss about the type of thermometer. Types of thermometer. There are various type of thermometers, and in this chapter I am going to talk about the three type of the thermometers and which are important. First, clinical thermometer. Second, laboratory thermometer. thermometers. Another maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Digital thermometer also, and about which we do not have to discuss. First, clinical thermometer means clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer means the thermometer and which is used to measure the temperature of body. The thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of body is called clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer. It means sometimes when we suffering from the fever, then we use the clinical thermometers, and it is also known as a doctor thermometers or daddy thermometers. And in clinical thermometer there is a constrictions here. It has constriction near the bulb. Constriction near the bulb. And why there is a constriction near the bulb? And there is a constriction near the bulb in the clinical thermometer which prevent the return back of the raised mercury columns and helps to measure the accurate temperatures. It has constrictions near the bulb. Here the range of temperature given in clinical thermometer is 37 degrees C to 42 degree centigrade. Or when we write in Fahrenheit, then 94 Fahrenheit to 108 Fahrenheit. The range of temperatures, that is 37 degrees C to 42 degrees C, and that is the range and given in the clinical thermometers. It means the temperatures between these two, lower and upper temperatures between both, can be measured. Okay. Another laboratory thermometer. Laboratory thermometer. The thermometer and which is used in laboratory and measure the temperature of substance. The thermometer which is used to measure the temperature of substance in laboratory is called laboratory thermometer. And in laboratory thermometer, it has no constrictions. It has no constriction. It has no constrictions. The range of temperature, temperature is range of temperatures from minus 10 degree to minus 10 degree C to 110 degrees C. This is a range of temperatures given in mentioning laboratory thermometers. It means the temperature of substance lying between minus 10 degrees C and to 110 degrees C can be measured with help of laboratory thermometers. Other maximum and minimum thermometers. Maximum and minimum thermometer. Maximum and minimum thermometer means the thermometers and which is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of a day, and for a of a particular place is known as maximum and minimum thermometers. The thermometer which is used to measure the temperature, which is used to measure the maximum and minimum temperature of a day for particular place is called maximum and minimum thermometer. It means both, that is minimum temperature as well as maximum temperatures of 24 hours can be calculated by the maximum minimum thermometers, and it is mainly used for forecasting the temperatures of any particular place. Okay. And another digital thermometers also used nowadays, and in digital thermometer there is a thermistors and there is a screen in which the temperature should display in screen, and in which there is no any thermometric liquid is used. There is a thermistors already used. Okay, this much for today. In another day I will talk about another.